Good morning. It's 11:20. Day one post-op. I had the gastric pass Roux-en-Y with a hiatal hernia repair. Yesterday was a little rough. I had surgery at about 9:45 and was in recovery. Surgery took about an hour and a half, and I was in recovery about 2 hours before I got to the room. Yesterday I was a bit drowsy, still from the anesthesia, and I thought I was having pain, and I thought that maybe the pain was actually from surgery, but it's actually from the gas that they put inside your stomach to check for leaks after the surgery. So my stomach was full of gas. It was very uncomfortable. I'm not even gonna lie. That was the most uncomfortable feeling yesterday. Also, when I started to talk, my throat was a little sore, and because I was intubated, I had a breathing tube down my throat. My throat was a little sore, um, and my mouth was extremely dry. I was reading about that, looking up that, and seeing that for most people after their surgeries, but my mouth was extremely dry. Luckily, they gave me some of these little swabs, and I was able to dip it in some water and get my mouth dry, get my mouth wet, but my mouth was extremely dry. So the surgery went well. He said everything went according to plan. My surgeon came and talked to me last night. Um, I did have a catheter put in, but that was put in after I was in the operating room, put to sleep. I had a Foley put into my bladder. And yesterday I was giving fluid. I was giving an injection before surgery, a Lovenox injection, which is a blood thinner to prevent blood clots. And so yesterday was a bit rough. I did have 2 episodes of nausea and dry heaving. So they started with Zofran. I do have a patch in the back side of my ear to help with that. But it was kind of bad last night, so they ended up upgrading me to a medicine called Phenergan, which helped extremely well. I didn't get a lot of sleep because every 2 hours it kept coming in, but I did nap some, so I am extremely tired now. So I did get up and walk twice last night, and I've walked 1 time so far today. And actually, I've started drinking. So the first hour, I had to get down 1 ounce every 30 minutes. So I got down 2 ounces in the first hour. And now I'm on every 15 minutes. So every 15 minutes, I have to get down 1 ounce of fluid, clear fluid. I started with water. Then I want a little bit something more tasteful. So I have a Crystal Light, which is better than water, but I'm getting there. And I think at about 12, I'm going to start walking, get my second lap in. I've also been using the bathroom of my own, which is good. So everything is coming up. I'm still sore. But I just want to give you an update on post-op day one. Hope this helps someone who is thinking about going through the surgery or is getting ready to go through the surgery. Hope it helps. And I'll try to check back in for day 2. Hopefully I'll also go home today. So everything went well. I can go home today. So as long as my nausea under control, as long as I can drink, so that should be good to go. So hope this helps someone. I'll check back in on day 2 post-op. Have a good day.